Hi everyone, Orozco's Auto Service is specialized in gas tanks renew. We're the only ones can do this in the whole West United States. This is a Model 8, I think it's 1930 something. We renew this gas tank was really rusted inside. Basically what we do is when customers bring it in, we put it in the boiling tank and leave it there for a day or two. We bring it out and then we pressurize with hot water. If the rust is still stick to the metal, then we make holes on the back and we sandblast all the way to the metal. And then we patch it, we pressurize, and then we put renew solution inside, and then we put in the oven. Once this process is done, you have a lifetime warranty. You never have to buy another gas tank.